Hi guys, Ellie and Jordan here. We are going to teach you guys how to make breakfast sushi. It looks kind of like this and it's got banana and peanut butter. So first you will want to get your ingredients. Here is a list of things you'll need to make this recipe. So you'll need a banana, a tortilla, and peanut butter, and then you'll also need a table knife.
So our first step was to gather all of our supplies, which we already have, and our second step was to wash our hands for 20 seconds. While we're washing our hands, I'm just gonna grab out my tortilla. And Ellie, what are we gonna do with this tortilla?
We are gonna put peanut butter all over that tortilla. All right, Jordan, what are we gonna do next after we have our peanut butter done?
All right, so next we're going to peel our banana. And a little tip about peeling your banana, if you peel it from the bottom instead of from the top, you won't get all those little stringy fibers on it. Because all those stringy fibers that usually get stuck to your banana will come off with the peel. We've got our banana peeled. We're just going to slightly break it so that it's a straight line. We don't really want to cut it in pieces, but just kind of straighten it out, or you can cut it in pieces like I just did. But just kind of straighten it out and put it kind of close to the end of your tortilla, like
the next step is my absolute favorite part. So you are going to start rolling it. And it helps if you take this edge here and just kind of stick it to your banana first so that it's stuck there when you start rolling it.
All right, so that's basically what you should have when you get done.
Now that we have our beautiful little banana burrito, we are going to start cutting. Now the ends right here and here, they're gonna look kind of funny no matter what, so don't worry about getting those completely perfect. You can always use them as practice. So I noticed that mine came apart, and that's because the seam's at the top, so I'm just gonna roll mine over. And I'm glad I did a practice one. And then you wanna make them about between a half an inch and an inch wide. So now we have made our little breakfast banana sushis, and we've already tried some because we were practicing beforehand, and they are absolutely delicious. I think I'm gonna go put these in the freezer so that I can see what they taste like cold. All right, thanks for tuning in with us. We really hope you like our video, and if you want to join us for Cooking Club, it's going to be every Friday at 3, and then you can be live with us and we will help you make your next recipe. Bye guys!
Bye!